What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Pope back at it again with another daily pack challenge. On today's episode, we have Gloria Team Rocket, the top 3 chases, the Mewtwo EX, the Moltres EX, or the Nidoking EX. Personal chases, Crobat EX or the Blaziken. We got 3 packs today. We're going to rip and see what we can get. That Mewtwo. Let's see if we can pull it out of these 3 packs. Pack number 2. Holo Zamazenta. Last pack magic. Come on, YouTube. Thanks for watching. Comment down below what card you're chasing from this set. And don't forget to subscribe for your next daily pack challenge. Peace.